In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forget network on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. Forgetting a Wi-Fi network is a quick way to clear a saved connection that you no longer use, that's acting up, or that you don't want your PC to join automatically. When you forget a network, Windows removes the stored password and all its preferences, but the network itself still exists in the air. You're simply wiping it from your device's memory. This helps resolve stubborn connection loops, old router names lingering after an upgrade, or security concerns when you've connected to a public hotspot once and don't want to auto-reconnect later. Start by opening the Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut brings you straight into Settings, so you can get this done in seconds without hunting through menus. Once Settings is open, look at the left sidebar and click Network and Internet. This is where Windows groups everything related to your connections, whether it's Wi-Fi, Ethernet, VPN, or mobile hotspots. We'll focus on Wi-Fi today. Inside Network and Internet, select Wi-Fi. This page shows your current Wi-Fi status and several related options. Find and click Manage Known Networks. This section is essentially your device's memory of every Wi-Fi you've connected to before, including the saved password and whether Windows should connect automatically. You'll now see a list of your known networks. Each entry is the network's name, also called the SSID. Scroll through the list and locate the network you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one, especially if multiple networks have similar names, like a home main network and a guest network. When you've found the correct network, click the Forget button next to it. The entry disappears immediately, which confirms the saved profile is gone. From this point on, Windows will no longer try to auto-connect, and the password for that network is no longer stored on your PC. If you ever need to use that network again, it will show up like any other available Wi-Fi in the taskbar or Wi-Fi settings. Just select it and enter the password again to reconnect. If you removed the wrong one by mistake, don't worry. You can reconnect the same way and it will be saved again. That's all it takes. Open Settings with Windows. +I, go to Network and Internet. Choose Wi-Fi, manage your known networks, pick the one you don't need, and click Forget. It's a simple, safe cleanup step that keeps your device secure and your connections tidy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Windows 11 Wi-Fi list organized and trouble-free.